can feel like a locked door. Yes, I know. It's the subject that causes frustration, tears, and self-doubt. But what if I told you that door isn't locked at all? It just needs the right key. I am Miss Becca, and believe it or not, I didn't start out as a math superstar. I failed so badly that I had to repeat classes twice. Yes, twice. But through all of that, math was my safe space. It was the one subject I could always count on. That's why I turned my story around and became a math tutor. And today, I help students and parents see math not as a monster, but as a puzzle that can be solved. Here on Math with Miss Becca, you will find math story time, challenge corner, math myths and mistakes, parent power, and confidence boost, because math success starts with confidence. Every video is designed to be short, clear, and confidence building, so you or your child not only learn math but love it. So if you are a parent who wants to see your child thrive in math, or a student who is ready to finally get it, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because math confidence starts here with a creative touch.